Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Onkar Edu. Today, we are going to discuss exam related current affairs with the static GK 13th January 2021. Manipur state has launched the M-Pension Manipur app. M-Pension is a web app and provide facilities to the pensioners to send feedbacks and make queries online. It also notifies pensioners on the status of photographs submitted and the responses of their queries. So here we discuss about some content related to Manipur. So Manipur CM is Nongothombam Biren Singh. Nongthombam Biren Singh, and governor is Nazma Heptullah. Now, second is the third edition of the Digital Evolution Scorecard 2020 developed by Tufts University Fletcher School in partnership with the MasterCard was released, in which India ranked 4th. The scorecard is topped by the China. Third one is the Amit Shah launches the single window clearance system for coal sector. About Ministry of Coal. So here we discuss some Ministry of Coal related to Union Minister Prahlad Joshi, and the headquarters of the Ministry of Coal is in New Delhi. Now we come on to the fourth. Cherry Blossom Meo Festival held in Senapati, Manipur, virtually inaugurated by the CM N. Biren Singh. So Manipur is popular for Loktak Lake also, and governor of the Manipur is Najma Heptullah, as we discussed above. Padam Shri Turlapati Kutumba Rao, veteran Telugu journalist, writer and orator, passed away at 7. Kerala has announced to launch India's first solar electric RORO service. So here we discuss some topic related to Kerala. The river in Kerala is Periyar River, and Kerala Cherrai Beach is also situated in Kerala, and Vellam Kali boat race is in take place in Kerala. The Health and the Family Welfare Minister has set up a technical expert under the chairmanship of Preeti Patel to examine the adverse findings of NFHS5. A book, Making of a Journal, a Himalayan Eco. Author is Lieutenant General Konsam Himalay Singh. The oldest surviving Olympic champion, Agnes Keleti, turned 100 recently. She is associated with gymnastics. Assam has launched a Brahman Sarthi scheme to provide free bus service to women and senior citizens. So here we discuss some topic related to Assam. Assam CM Sarvanand Sonowal, and the Khasi and Jaintia Hills are mountainous region that was mainly part of Assam and Meghalaya. 12th January, the birthday of Swami Vivekananda, celebrated as National Youth Day since mid-80s. Today, every fifth young person in the world is Indian. Quotes: arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. So I hope, friends, you will follow these quotes: arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. The center would soon hold campaign named Know Your Constitution in schools, college, and university across the country. It is also very important for you, friends. So remind in your mind that it may be asked in later exams. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik inaugurated the Fire Park in Bhubaneswar, a first of its kind initiative in the country to bring awareness on fire safety measures. It is also very important for the point of exam, friends. It may be asked in exams. So Ramgarh in Jharkhand has topped the list of aspirational districts ranked by the government think tank Niti Aayog. Ramgarh district is one of the 24 districts in the Indian state of Jharkhand. It was also a military district during the British regime, referred to then a Ramgarh district. Arup Kumar Goswami was sworn in as the Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh High Court by the Governor Vishwap Bhushan Harichandan in the presence of the Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. Before that, he served as the Chief Justice of the Sikkim High Court. It is important, friend, so you have to remind it in your mind also. Google Cloud has appointed its Indian MD Karan Bajwa as its new leader for Asia Pacific. Thomas Kurian is the Chief Executive Officer of the Google Cloud, launched April 7, 2008. Google Cloud. The Chief Minister of Karnataka, B.S. Yediyurappa, launched Krishi Sanjeevani once in Bengaluru. So here we discuss some point related to Karnataka. CM is B.S. Yediyurappa and Governor is Beju Bhaiwala, and formation of Karnataka take place 1st November 1956, and the language is Kannada, and the port is a new Mangalore port. The Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh has launched a set of welfare projects, including the free sanitary pads for high school and the college girl student in the states. So here we discuss some point related to the Punjab. The CM is Captain Amrinder Singh, and the Governor is BP Singh Badnor, and the major steel manufacturer. Punjab is the major steel manufacturer. Ravi Narayan Mishra, former executive director of the RBI, has been appointed as the director of RBI's chief of secretary. COS. So here we discuss some point related to the RBI. Reserve Bank of India headquarters the Mumbai, Maharashtra, established 1st April 1935, and governor is Shaktikanta Das. The Punjab National Bank has announced an alliance with the IIT Kanpur and the Foundation for Innovation and Research in the Science and Technology for the innovation of center at the institute's campus. So I hope friends you like these current affairs and remind in your mind and revise 1 or 2 times so that you will perform well in your examination. Thank you friends.